belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Hello everyone and welcome to a sponsored product review, which I literally did not have on my radar. It's the BenQ Screenbar Plus, an LED lamp for your monitor for about 130 to 150 euros. The link is of course listed in the video description below. At first, I didn't know what to do with that. Who thinks about a BenQ monitor lamp when they are working? After 1 month working with it, I can tell you that's a great piece of equipment. The package includes the controller for adjusting the brightness and the color temperature, as well as a USB-C cable, but no power adapter. I tried to supply the lamp using the power via my monitor, but it didn't work for whatever reason. As an alternative, I recommend the power port. Everyone should have one anyway, because you can charge your cameras, keyboards and smartphones at the same time. The link is of course in the video description. A smartphone adapter would probably have worked as well. The lamp is simply clicked onto the edge of your monitor without any screws or glue. If you are in a very bright room, I don't know how useful this lamp can be for your work. It's relatively dark in my room, therefore a real blessing, especially if you work a lot with Photoshop, Lightroom or Final Cut. You will notice a clear difference there. For the eyes, this lamp is much more relaxed and often you don't even have to run a desk lamp at the same time because the Screenbar Plus is bright enough. I was also impressed about the fact that the lamp does not reflect on my monitor. For example, if you don't have a keyboard with lighting, this lamp helps you see all the keys without taking more space than necessary. The color temperature can be set anywhere between 27 and 6500 Kelvin. And if you need to dim quickly, you can use the auto dimmer with just one tap on the dial. That was my final word, by the way. I am very satisfied. I don't want to miss the Screenbar Plus anymore. Thanks to BenQ and your attention, you can find the link in the video description. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Telegram to stay up to date. See you very soon. Tschüss aus Frankfurt.